that for 3.8 billion years, nature's been refining designs to some of the very same design challenges that we face, but doing so with a much greater efficiency, perhaps sustainability and beauty than we've been able to accomplish. So when I look at this forest scene, I don't see just trees and ferns and bushes. I see time-tested genius that has long-lasted climate change. I see towers that are moving fluids up hundreds of feet without electricity. Towers using benign manufacturing to make new packaging, new forms, facades, to create complex structures. I see towers that are collecting energy from the sun. And I see these solar collectors falling to the ground in a circular economy. In a forest, there are no wastes. There's no unemployment. And when we think about it, carbon is not a problem. Carbon is the building block. So everything that you see in the forests is built on a beguiling simple set of common raw materials, using only a subset of the periodic table of elements, using carbon as a building block. In this scene too, I see these towers connected to each other through underground networks, sharing information and resources, even with competing species, recognizing that collaboration can be more effective as a resiliency strategy than competition. There's definitely competition in nature. If you're asleep, you'll get eaten. But I like to call it co-opetition. The competition ensures innovation's constantly happening, that you're constantly evolving and changing and adapting. But there's so much more cooperation happening in the forest than we once realized. Trees sharing information and resources. You think of a canopy of a forest and how it's, this beautiful intact kind of layer. There isn't one tree that's 900 feet above the rest of them. And that intact canopy provides this beautiful dissipative structure so that environmental pressures, environmental perturbations from the outside actually get dissipated so they can't disrupt the understory. So in this, you can see that this forest is doing so much. It's dissipating storm events, it's helping slow down rain, it's disrupting wind, it's purifying the air, it's creating the soil, it's doing so much engineering for us, and it's doing it all for free. So biomimicry is a lens to recognize that one, nature is doing design, and that we could be inspired by the design. We could improve our own designs by looking to that as inspiration. But two, nature's also doing engineering for us. These ecological services that it provides amount in the trillions of dollars if we were to replace them. As we continue to destroy these intact ecosystems, we're destroying free engineering. We're destroying the very services that provide us life. Food production, air production, water purification, the things that sustain our species. Nature does it for free. Our breath feeds these trees.